Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the most incredible moments ever captured on camera. Magical and surprising images that you never expected. From unimaginable incidents to incredible miracles. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting and valuable videos. Let's start exploring now. The horrific scene of a high-rise building collapsing in a cloud of smoke and dust broke the silence, a haunting moment of destruction.
Wow, that's awesome!
The terrible flood came and swept away the small house in a flash. The powerful current of nature could not be resisted.
Look at this right here. Oh, nearly flipped him over.
Oh my gosh.
In an instant, a landslide from the hillside hit the running car. The scene was horrifying as debris flew everywhere, making things tense for a moment.
Didn't hit the car. Salt.
Diretta davanti a me. Direttissimo.
The giant iceberg floated on the water, like a large ship. The scene was both mysterious and impressive, making everything around it magical.
It's going! That was cool.
Hooray!
The horrific scene when the roadside parking lot suddenly collapsed, dragging a series of cars down. People panicked and screamed. The incident happened quickly and hauntingly, making anyone who witnessed it shudder. The car lost control and crashed straight into the store, causing everyone to panic and run away to escape. The tractor-trailer suddenly lost control. The rear of the vehicle swerved forward. The scene was tense as the vehicle swayed on the highway, almost causing an accident. The tornado formed like a snake, leaving the two men stunned and quickly took out their phones to record this strange sight.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh! Jesus.
Que desce? Como que desce?
Não bate no portão, por favor. Olha esse povo. Tem seguro.
Ó o portão, que doideira.
A blinding bolt of lightning struck the mountain, creating a brilliant flash of light that caused everyone to scream in amazement and joy. A majestic moment of nature.
Oh my God. The guard was eating bread when suddenly a monkey appeared and approached him. Panicked, he quickly gave the bread to the monkey, creating a scene that was both funny and adorable.
Jetzt neigt er sich, jetzt fällt er. Satan Ziege.
A strong wind blew through, suddenly overturning the car, creating a terrifying and dramatic scene. The giant iceberg rose out of the water like a great whale rising from the ocean.
玻璃渣，别都拼我的车玻璃。
The tractor suddenly lost control. The front of the vehicle fell straight forward, creating a terrifying and tense scene.
Тоже по этому поводу общались.
When the door was closed, it slid open and hit the motorbike, causing it to fall over. The scene was unexpected and very disturbing.
Take some pictures.
Thank you for watching today's video. The incredible moments we have just witnessed not only leave us amazed, but also open up valuable lessons about life, the wonders of nature, and the power of technology. Each scene is a clear demonstration that this world is always full of interesting things that we sometimes cannot expect. If you find this video interesting and meaningful, don't forget to like, share with friends and family to discover the wonders together. Subscribe to the channel to always receive the latest interesting and useful videos. Thank you for accompanying us, and see you in the next videos, where we will continue to explore interesting and surprising moments.